Welcome to Outdoorsumo.com. Hi guys, today I will show you LMAI 22 Cruiser Skateboard. Graphic blue flower floral board, complete skateboard for everyone. Brand LMAI Skateboards. Material aluminum. Deck length 22 inches. Color blue floral. Durometer hardness 83A. Wheel material polyurethane. Load capacity 200 pounds. About this item. Upscale high-quality plastic deck, 100% fresh material, amazing pattern painted. 3.125-inch LMAI painted trucks, using best quality available. 59mm 83A LMAI wheel and very smooth ride with great gripping power, very durable and first class. LMAI titanium, bearing steel, bearings, zero noise fast spinning. Complete skateboard, high-quality parts throughout, even the small nuts are on very high manufacturing standard and workmanship. Thanks for visit this channel.